Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone and iPad not charging past 80%. Today in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you're facing this issue after replacing the battery, then you have to make sure that the battery is original, not a fake. And also, sometime iPhone not charging because of temperature. If your iPhone is warm, then power off and leave it until it cool down. And also check the charger and charging cable is not damaged, and also remove the iPhone case. After that we use some other solutions. Solution number 1, turn off optimize battery charging. For that, go to settings, then tap battery and tap battery health. Now we have to turn off optimize battery charging. If it's turned on, tap turn off. Solution number 2, go to settings, tap general, tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3, launch settings, then tap general and tap reset all settings. Here iPhone passcode required and a pop-up window will appear, and we have to tap reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.